Are you tired of your conference chairs not sitting level? Or your chair sinking all the way down because your cylinder isn't working? We now have a solution. It's called the Uplift Chair Kit. Okay, the way you fix this chair is very simple steps. You lift the chair up without your weight on it, it'll easily come up, and you bring it to the height that you want it to be. Next, you flip it to its side, you move the collar away. You take your scrubbing towel and you wipe off the grease off of the cylinder. Make sure that it's dry by just taking a paper towel, cleaning it off. You take your VHB double-sided tape, cut it to the right size, and then you just stick it on. Then you start with your 2-inch bracket, click it on, push it in, use your 1-inchers, half-inch, it's clipped in place. Lift your chair up, sit on it, make sure the mechanism is released. Simple as that.